Setting up your IT systems may be relatively easy and quick, but getting all your existing data from your legacy system to a completely new platform, isn't it so? We all may have been in this kind of situation before. Hello everyone, this is me Abha Dubey from Cloud Analogy, a certified Salesforce Silver consulting partner. Let us start by me asking you one thing. Aren't there a lot of technical challenges that make data migration not only a costly proposition, but also a time-consuming process? Of course, your answer will be a yes. And for this, you need out-of-the-box data migration tools to ensure successful transition of legacy data. Let me share with you some of the most popular and useful data migration tools that we can use to facilitate a smooth and seamless data transfer. This software by Acronis helps in backing up files and folders. It also allows replication of local backups on the cloud. It can access and recover from Windows, macOS, iOS, and Android operating systems. Number 2 on our list is IRI NextForm, which helps convert, report, and replicate data. The tool is available in various editions and also as a standalone database migration utility. On number 3, we have Xplenty, a cloud-based data integration platform that streamlines data processing and saves time. The flexible and scalable platform provides a solution to various users from marketing, developers, sales, and customer support, and is a complete toolkit for building data pipelines. The number 4 position is with Minitool Partition Wizard Free, which helps manage disk space on Windows. It also supports data migration from every version of Windows including XP. It also has features like migrating operating systems to SSDs, aligning SSD partitions, and checking file systems. On the 5th spot, we have DB Convert Studio, which is one of the best tools for database migration and synchronization. The software helps in renaming database objects during migration. 3 scenarios of data migration are possible, like source to target migration, bidirectional synchronization, and one-way synchronization. Number 6 is AWS Data Migration, which helps you replicate data with high availability into a petabyte scale data warehouse. It also streams data to Amazon S3 and Amazon Redshift. The flexible tool helps in streamlining the otherwise complicated process of data migration, better when compared to other open source database and commercials. The 7th one on the list is Informix by IBM, that will help you move data from one IBM database to another. It is powerful in performing high-speed data checking transfers and comes powered with special tools facilitating external tables and IBM Informix Enterprise Gateway products. On number 8, we have LapLink PC Mover, that comes as highly recommended data migration tool. It makes it easy to transfer files, settings, and apps between 2 PCs. It is the only software that automatically updates all folders, files, and user profiles to operating systems and PCs. At number 9, we have Azure DocumentDB, owned by Microsoft Multi-Model Database Service. It can import data from any mentioned source and supports a wide range of OS and .NET frameworks. Finally, on number 10, it is rsync, which works well with Unix-like systems. It also acts as a file synchronization and data transfer program. It also uses SSH to connect and invoke the remote host to determine the parts of data that needs to be transferred. Are you planning to migrate your IT data? We at Cloud Analogy can significantly ease your data migration difficulties, speed up the process, and increase the value of your data. Our data migration service specialists are experienced with various tools and techniques used for data migration. We deploy the best data migration practice to reduce risk and maintain data integrity by eliminating errors and challenges to ensure successful migration. Thank you. We hope you find this video informative and helpful. Keep visiting our YouTube channel for more updates and our latest videos. Also, do not forget to like, comment on our videos and subscribe to our channel.